All right, in this video, let's go ahead and create insert last. So we're just going to come up here, copy this, and then insert it. We change this from first to last. Again, we're pulling in data, but we're not returning anything. The great thing about a doubly linked list is it's a mirror image. If I'm inserting the first, the insert last is going to be a mirrored image of that. So let's just go ahead and we're going to copy down, copy this, and repost it. Need to change this from first to last. Right now, in this first node, this should be the same. This should be the same. In our special case here, it should be the same. But here, next would become previous, prev. First would become last. First would become last. Prev would become next. First would become last. Okay, now I'm not 100% sure what I did here, but what let's do, let's take this code here. Let's just take this code here. Let's copy it. Let's pull up this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this code here. Insert this code. I'm going to pull that over. Whoops. Pull that over just a little bit. Okay. All right. So let's go through our scenarios. Okay. If we're null pointer, so we have nothing, count is 0. Last is nothing, or is null pointer. First thing we do, we step in and we create a new shared pointer. Null pointers on next and previous, data set in to 0, and named temp. Okay. We come in and let's see, we put the data in right here. So the data comes in, whatever that data might be. Then we say this first is equal to temp. So this first is equal to temp. This last is equal to temp. And our count is now 1. Cool, that works. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this scenario. We start off with this scenario right here. That is no longer temp though. And this time we're creating last, so we want to create a node here. So we step in, we create a shared pointer. Initialized to null pointer and 0. Then we step in and we put the data in it. So our data is put in. Then, good, now we step down here and we say that temp previous, this is named temp. Need to include that. Okay, so temp previous is equal to this last. So this last is this. This temp previous is this. We're saying that this temp is pointing here. Temp previous is equal to this last. Yeah, this is this last. That's correct. Okay, then we say this last next, which is this, is equal to temp. So that's no longer null pointer. And we're pointing here. Good. Next thing we do is we say this last is equal to temp. So this last is equal to temp. And in both cases, we add 1 to our count. Cool. That's going to work great.